Hey everybody, John Osborne here with Basecamp Trading, and today I'm looking at Norwegian Cruise Line's NCLH for holdings, I think. Anyways, we're breaking out of a pennant here. That pennant is defined, the top line is up here, connecting these 2 points. This is our top line. Our bottom line is here. That's connecting from this point to this point, and we are breaking through that line as we speak. So watch for it to continue moving lower. We've already broken through this swing low down at 1851. Our next support is at 1831, and we'll see if we can break that by the end of today. And then we have another support down over here. That's going to be at the low of 18. So that's our initial run out of the pennant. It's either an asymmetrical pennant or a regular pennant. I think it's a little bit asymmetrical, but that's okay. It already triggered based on the bear flag here. Now, here's what's interesting. If we can break through these few lows, then we'll come down to this area here. And I've got 1762 as a support here. That's actually this low, right around this low and this low. So we got kind of a triple bottom here. And if we break that, after going through all this, then we have a long way to go before our next support down at 14.5 area. So there could be a really nice run if we can get down through 1762. Now, everything looks good for this. Momentum is bearish. We're pushing lower. The only thing that's against us is the MQ value charts value down here is actually yellow. It's got a yellow bottom to it. And that is a sign that we are a little bit extended on value in that direction. And sometimes that can put some bullish pressure back on it to make it harder for it to go lower. But there are plenty of times when we get that and it just keeps going lower. Like over here, we got this move here. We kept moving lower at this point. But many of the other times you get to moderately undervalued and we just turn around and move back up again. So be wary of that. Hopefully we'll be able to see the follow through again. Momentum looks good. And the potential's here for a really nice run if we can get again below that 1762 area. If you like this kind of analysis, join us. You can join us for 30 days. Just look for the instructions in the comments below.